Okay, I was diagnosed with cervical dystonia in 2009. And well, really went to 3 doctors before they actually diagnosed it because it was something else they was calling it. So then I went and started having Botox shot. When I first started, it was actually with my head turning to my left. And well, my family noticed and I noticed. So after I started getting the Botox, it took a while and really a long time before even anything would even help. And it wasn't to the point of, I think maybe a year ago, with the cervical dystonia, I noticed my mouth started to move. And I don't know what really caused that. The doctor couldn't really, and I wouldn't let them inject in my mouth. I was like, no, because with my eyes, my eyesight, I'm very sensitive now to light. I've worn glasses since 65, I think, after my thyroid, and now I have to have shades on anytime I see any type of light because I'm very sensitive to it. So I think the cervical dystonia had something to do with that also. And I joined a group maybe a year or 2 ago, and it's a lady in the group. She had Dr. Demerjian to come to one of the actual meetings, and it was a lot of people there. He did put the like popsicle stick into my mouth, and there was a difference. I noticed a difference, but it was like it was so many other people there that wanted him to do that, so I never really got to talk to him. And then I just kind of like forgot about it until later on, and I'd like, with the mouth twisting and dealing with my head turning, I decided to call the lady that was over the group, and she gave me Dr. Demerjian's name, and I went on the computer and read up on him as far as with the TMJ and what he could do. So it took me a little while to come, which was this year, in 2013, to actually come and find out. And my son came with me, and when he put the sticks into my mouth, it was like, at that moment, my head stopped moving, plus my mouth stopped turning and twisting, and it affected him to the point that he cried. But to me, I mean, I was really glad to actually know that that could happen to me again, because it's like I had been myself since 2009. Everything had been kind of changing to me. I came here in November.
Now, it's been a month since you've worn the mouthpiece.
Right.
And what are the improvements?
Since I've worn the mouthpiece, my mouth have stopped moving, and that's a blessing. I still have a problem with my eyesight, but that hopefully will be alleviated. But even my head, my shoulder, my head, and everything have stopped. It's not moving. I don't have to do like the exorcist person anymore, because normally I would go through that on a daily routine. My head turning, my mouth twitching all at the same time. Now I don't. I'm just trying to get used to the apparatus or whatever that the doctor put into my mouth, but it has actually stopped the mouth twitching and the movement, and that's great.